Ay, bless sa baby's man. Biruin mo, binigyan ako ng 3 flowers, 3 white flowers. Ang ganda kaya. It means that it's just like a peace offering. Pero wala naman siyang ginawang kasalanan, guys. Sure lang. Joke lang. It's a nice flower din. We're going to Ratapon. There's sipag. Super sweet. No, 25 baht, right?
And the flowers, yeah? See the flowers over there. Now behind you also, there's a white flowers.
There's a flower.
White flowers, look at that in the grass.
Yes.
Wow, it's nice, guys.
Thank you so much.
And flowers.
Yes, thank you so much, Ni Amore, for this flower.
Yellow.
I
And
don't know the name.
langka. And drinks are here, guys. Look at that.
This is the cheapest drink that I...
Happy Sabbath. There's a lot of flowers over there, guys.
Morning Sabbath here in Cowboys Farm.
Yeah, we're here at Cowboys Farm. And there's a milk
This is
show
the first
pao.
meal. Hi guys, we're here in the name of the place.
Rafting area in Ratapon.
Yes, rafting area in Ratapon. And simple date with my bebelabs.
Hello, everyone.
Hello everyone. After 2 weeks, we gathered together. Okay, let's eat. There's some black mango and our favorite burger here in Ratapon. Let's eat. Join us. It's nice to be here at a house.
What up? Good evening. Have our black mango here.
Our dinner time here in Ratapon.
Get here, guys.
We are here in the rafting place in Ratapon.
Rafting area. It's a nice place.
We have burgers
Burger.
and our favorite milk. I don't think it's milky,
Yep.
but
What up?
refreshing.
The place is so nice. We are here.
Yummy.
Have a good day, everyone. Good night.